If your Outlook suddenly stops syncing Gmail or Yahoo, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. This is a very common issue in classic Outlook, especially after recent security updates from Google, Yahoo, or Microsoft. What usually happens is that Outlook loses connection with your email account because of outdated login data or permission issues. As a result, your emails stop syncing, and everything just seemed stuck. The good news is, this problem is completely fixable, and you don't need any technical skills to solve it. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step method to reconnect your account and get your emails syncing again in just a few minutes. Just follow along, and you should be back up and running in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes Outlook cannot reach the mail server because the connection drops or becomes unstable. Try opening a website in your browser. If the internet is slow or disconnected, reconnect to Wi-Fi and restart Outlook. Step 2. Restart Outlook. Sometimes Outlook fails to sync due to a temporary bug. Close Outlook completely and open it again. After reopening, click Send/Receive to force Outlook to sync your Gmail or Yahoo account again. Step 3. Check account settings. Incorrect email settings are one of the most common causes of this error. Open File, then go to Account Settings and select Account Settings again. Choose your Gmail or Yahoo account and click Change. Make sure the incoming and outgoing server settings are correct. Step 4. Enable IMAP in Gmail. If you're using Gmail, make sure IMAP is enabled. Open Gmail in your browser, click the Settings gear icon, then see All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Make sure IMAP is enabled, then save the changes. Step 5. Create a Gmail app password. If you use two-step verification with Gmail, Outlook cannot log in using your normal password. You must create an app password. Open your Google account settings. Go to Security. Select App Passwords. Create a new password for Mail and use that password inside Outlook. Step 6. Check Firewall or antivirus. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software blocks Outlook from connecting to the mail server. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try syncing again. If Outlook starts syncing, add Outlook to the allowed apps list in your antivirus settings. Step 7. Repair Outlook account. If the issue still continues, you can repair the account. Open Account Settings again. Select your email account and click Repair. Outlook will automatically detect and fix connection problems. Final fix: remove and add account again. If none of the fixes work, remove the email account and add it again. Go to Account Settings, select the account, and click Remove. Then click Add Account and sign in again with Gmail or Yahoo. This usually fixes most syncing errors. If the issue still exists, your Outlook profile may be corrupted. Go to Control Panel, click Mail, then click Show Profiles. Create a new profile and add your email account again. Set the new profile as default and restart Outlook. Step 8. Restart Outlook and sync now. Close Outlook completely and reopen it. Click on Send/Receive. Check if your emails are syncing properly. So that's how you fix the Outlook error. Repair your Outlook profile. These steps should solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps more people find this solution. And for more simple, step-by-step tech fixes like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, if you're still facing this issue, drop a comment below and tell me your problem. I'll personally try to help you fix it.